Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap stock where HDFC Mutual Fund via its account HDFC Smallcap Fund has bought 10,60,000 shares at Rs 184.98 on the National Stock Exchange yesterday. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is NRB Bearings Limited, which is available at Rs 180.55 and the face value for it is 2. The price at which this transaction took place on the National Stock Exchange yesterday is 184.98. The symbol for it is NRB BEARING. Now NRB Bearings Limited is engaged in the manufacture of ball and roller bearings. The company is engaged in the design and production of customized friction solutions. It operates through the bearing segment, and geographical segments of this company include India and outside India. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company rose during the first couple of weeks of the year, but since then has largely been choppy. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 1749.94 crores. The EPS of 11.55 translates into a dirt cheap price to earnings ratio of 15.63 when compared with the industry PE of 43.83. The price to book ratio of 4.48, however, is slightly on the high side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.44%, whereas the promoter holding is also slightly above average at 52.61%. Now friends, please don't just jump in on hearing this news. This information is already discounted by one day. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.